Hello again, here is the Dragon 64, you'll have seen several times before, and there's the Dragon MSX 2 board sitting in there. Underneath that is one of the Dragon RGB boards. You can also see the ZIF socket under there, just underneath, which is the 6809 adapter board, which adds the pull-up resistors. We've got the Dragon Oojamaflip board, allowing us to use two devices at the same time. We've got the Coco SDC, and at the back we've got one of the uprated Dragon power boards. So the RGB board and the power board are both Phil Harvey Smith's design. MSX board is my development, and the Oojamaflip is my development from an original in the 80s by Sutcliffe Electronics. Handy and cheap little device to add additional devices. The CPU adapter board is also developed by me, produced in China. It was Darren Atkinson who suspected the pull-ups might have been an issue, so what that adapter board does is it lets us use the Coco SDC much more reliably with additional equipment without the need of an MPI. And we can do that because we're not using ports which clash. So at the moment the Dragon MSX 2 board is going to be using the FF7X ports, not the FF5X ports. If it was in MPI, you'd want to be using the FF5X ports because you wouldn't be worried about clashing ports with the Coco SDC. Okay, I'm going to show you an audio demo today, which has been done by Pere Serrat, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. Just to explain, so the main display that you'll see working in a moment is connected to Phil's RGB board. So that's the normal 6847 output. The Dragon MSX 2 board is connected to this big telly over here, but we're not going to be doing any video, so you won't see anything on that telly. However, the sound output is connected to that telly, but what I've done is connected the little juice box, or whatever it's called, juice boom box, only a little one, to that telly to give us the best audio quality possible. So I'm going to pause the video now and get set up, and when I come back we should have a program about to load on screen, and see what you think. Okay, I'm back and hopefully ready to demonstrate this audio. I'm going to largely stay quiet during this video. Just going to explain, you may be able to hear a bit of background noise at the moment. One of the main things that I'm still working on for the Dragon MSX 2 board is the noise. It seems that a fair amount of noise comes from the V9958 chip itself, so I'm going to be looking at making some homemade shields for that to start with, and then if that proves to work I will try and find a more off-the-shelf method. Anyway, I am going to now run Pere's program. So I'm running it's a VGM player, and it's going to drive the YM2149 chip and the YM2413 chip. Pere has developed it in two ways. One is for the MPI, so using the FF5X ports, and one is for the Oojamaflip, using the FF7X ports. The Oojamaflip, you may as well just say, is a Y cable, but it's just been designed in a particular way for the Dragon. So we're going to use the FF7X ports. There should be no difference whatsoever if you were using it in an MPI. So here we go. So running now. So Pere's given us 4 pages of music. Apparently there's nearly 12 hours of music here. Quite a lot of old classics, although I must confess I don't remember all of them. The one I'm going to play for you today is, quite frankly, the one that blew me away yesterday when I first heard it, and I quite frankly can't believe I'm hearing this from a Dragon. So here we go. I'm going to play Final Fantasy tune, and hopefully it will come out okay for you. Here we go. you.